Hello, what is your good name?
My name is Sushil.
Okay, Mr. Sushil, please tell me something about yourself.
My name is Sushil. I'm from Rohtak, Nepal. My education 10 plus. I'm 22 years old. I'm working in Nepal,
Okay.
construction line.
Oh.
2 years experience
Okay, what is your working experience?
working in road construction line.
So, how long did you work there? How long? How many years did you work in a construction site?
2 years.
2 years.
Yes.
Okay. Why did you choose to go Croatia?
Croatia is beautiful country. I'm family problem.
Okay.
For
Okay.
money.
Okay, good. So, do you have any medical problem?
No.
So, would you be willing to work 8 hours per day and 6 days per week? Are you able to work?
Or 16.
Huh? No. Would you be willing to work 8 hours per day and 6 days per week? Are
Yes.
you able to work?
Yes.
Okay. So, what is your age? Can you?
I'm 22.
22. Okay. So, okay, we'll send this video. Okay. If you are selected, then we will inform you for the further process. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.